we're going to do sledgehammer strikes. Sledgehammer strikes are awesome for increasing punching power, metabolic conditioning. We're going to do 10 sets each side, so we're going to switch hands each side and just go fast and explosive as possible. And this is a really nice sledgehammer from Stronger Grip, made in the USA. This thing's awesome. Come on, Josh. Bam. You can tell, I was going to say, you can tell how hard you're hitting by the tires bouncing up on each rep. Nice. Nice. Very nice.
Too strong.
Nice.
Put it in slow motion.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. I'll try to kill it there.
Come on, bud. Nice. Good. Come on, bud. Nice.
Man, he changed his hand. He's
Yeah.
just like, good. Freaking monster.
Nice. Looks better that way.
Yeah, I think so.
Because you're such a monster. You're hitting it so freaking hard.
Yeah, right. Trying to be like you when I grew
No,
up.
no, no. I gotta muscle up like you. You're the man.
Come on,
We all have our talents.
bud. Come on, bud. Nice. Sweet. Come on, Josh. Nice. We'll do 2 more rounds.
I think I'm gonna call it.
Are you gonna call?
Yeah, I'm dead, man.
That's cool. How are your glutes feel today? Hamstrings wiped out.
Yeah.
We can just freestyle for the rest of the workout.
All right.
Wherever you want to go.
What's up, Grover? You got my
Some pretty good sparring sessions this morning.
I bet. I bet.
tired,
Next time, let me know next time you guys do a sparring session. I'll come film it.
Cool.
That
Pretty
kind
much
of stuff is great for exposure.
every Saturday.
Cool.
Like Thor. That's the Thor hammer.
Just hit a man from behind.
It's the only way I can win with maybe the element of surprise.
There you go. Nice.
There you go, Josh. Good, sorry.
Good.
Hey, Mike.
Last round. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna do something different. Why don't you start another clip?
Okay.